Hi guys, this is Mila's Projects. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about Christmas and I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my house for Christmas. So I just focused on my Christmas tree in this video and I also did my fireplace and mantle. We decided to do a classic Christmas tree this year and we got a new tree, one that doesn't light up, and we had to put our own lights on it because every single year we're spending hours trying to figure out which bulb is the one that doesn't work, and then we had to switch the bulbs. So this year we just decided to put the lights on ourselves. So first you want to start off by using your ribbons, and what I did was use a little bit of wire on both ends of the ribbon and I just attached it to the branches, and I created a little curve with the ribbon, and so I did that throughout the whole tree. So you just want to curve out the ribbons and just use branches to help it stay put. And here's how it looks once all the ribbons were on. I then took all the larger ornaments and put them deeper inside the tree, and it helps fill up the tree gaps a little bit better. And I stuck to 3 colors this year. I did gold, white, and silver. And the smaller ornaments, I went ahead and hung them on the outer layer of the tree. And it wasn't just on the tips of the branches, but also in the middles too. You also want to use various shapes like icicles and bells and really unique pieces that'll make this tree look extravagant. You'll also want to have a filler, so you can use some berries and leaves and just tuck them in various spots throughout the tree to just add that fullness and give the tree more depth. I spent a lot of time fluffing out every single branch to make it look as full as it can, but even still you're going to have little gaps, and that's when you want to use these things to give it that fullness. And then of course you can adorn the top with a star, or you can try something different like hang a bell or a bow. And then of course a skirt will make it look all pulled together, and you can also add a tree collar too. I just wanted to share this Dollarama find with you. It was an ornament storage box and it was only $4, and also this gift wrap organizer. These get sold out really quickly, so make sure you grab it before it's all gone. I like adding scented ornaments. I feel like it gives the tree a really fresh smell every time you walk by. Here's how it turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think. I loved it so much and my family loved it too. I loved how the decor turned out, and everything I selected ended up looking really great on the tree. So just keep watching to see how I transformed my fireplace mantle into Christmas heaven. Up next, it was time to decorate my fireplace mantle, but I quickly went in and cleaned everything up, and I also cleaned up the mirror as well. Once everything was clean, I just placed some larger decorative items in the back, and these 2 artwork I actually DIY'd them myself, and I'll be uploading a DIY Christmas decor ideas video soon. I also added a garland for a more festive touch. After I secured the garland, I made to fluff out all of the branches as much as I can. I added a smaller tree in the back with no ornaments and only some fairy lights. I stuck with the same color scheme as the tree, which is the gold, white, and silver. I added some ornaments, pine cones, and berries to give it more festive feel. And I finished it off with some fairy lights. I hung up some stockings for my son and daughter, and this year I'm going to be adding some labels, but you're going to see that a little bit later in the reveal. And then I added some finishing touches to pull everything together. I also added a few fun decorations to my bookshelves. here's how it turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Here's how it looks with the lights off. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have other videos coming out for Christmas. I'm going to be decorating my dining room table and also adding some decorative stuff around the house. I did a little photo shoot with my daughter, and here's how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.